it's okay. So, as you can see, I built this like a while ago. It's a very big TNT one, and it's very tall. Don't mind the other stuff I built. That was just in case. And we'll be exploding this. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna start. It's actually my first time playing on my iPad, and I just built a TNT tower. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I need to go get my, what do we call it? I forgot the name. Okay, so here we go. Oh, Flint and Steel. Okay, that's the name. Okay, so let's go. So we're gonna be starting with here, I guess. Okay, I'll just fly. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's happening. It's happening. Okay, let's see what happens. Is it gonna? Whoa, 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 whoa! Okay, that one's kind of good. Let's go explore this top part, I guess. That was, bruh. I'll show you the end reveal after. So this is actually quite good. Oh man, it explodes. I forgot about that. I'll start from the top then. Okay, so let's go here. I'm gonna do it from here, I guess. I need something to stand on. Ah! Phew. I almost died there. Oh, my agent survived that. Well, that's good. Oh, here we go. I'll just do like this. So, next of all, let's go again. 3, 2, let me just. 3, 2, 1. How did I do it yet? Oops, wrong one. I need to do the one, but who cares? Yo. That's actually floating in the air. Nothing will happen to the ground pretty much. So how did these survive? Oh, well, I don't care. Just go. Oh, man. I have no other choice but to do this. Oh, well, I do actually. I have this choice. Oh, what is this? I think this is some. Looks weird. Well, I guess that was the TNT explosion. I mean, that was nice. I'm not gonna lie. Hello, chicken. Come on. Oops, I didn't mean to kill you. I promise. So I guess that was it. And hope you enjoyed. And please sure to like and subscribe. I mean, just look at this. How big is that? So.